Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a new episode, and today's video is going to be a little bit short. We just briefly are going to look at the markets. Please do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe, click on the bell, click, and also don't miss anything. Leave me a comment, share the video with your friends if you think that's useful. Also in the description you can find a handful of links. Some of them are affiliate links and others are links to my Twitter and Instagram. Feel free to follow me there. Alright, let's quickly head over to the charts. We're looking at the BTC USD pair, and you're seeing that we had a fake out here with a retest, here a breakout, here again a retest, going higher again, and I said we need the bulls stepping in, if else I'm afraid this is going to roll over, and exactly that is what happened. Matter of fact, in yesterday's video I said we're running out of time, bulls need to step in ASAP, and that didn't happen, and it's exactly as predicted. We are now going lower and we are kind of fighting now with the 29k support base. We have a lot of mixed signals, to be honest. Money flows here going into the red, the VWAP is going higher. It looks like the hourly momentum wave wants to go higher, but then if I zoom out on the 4 hourly, then we saw in here a very confusing red, green, red dot, and I said in yesterday's video it looks like the money flow wants to go higher, but to be honest now this looks more like an inward curve. It's also going lower. The RSIs were split, but now with our move to the downside it looks like they're coming together, so gaining straight. Also the momentum wave still says there's room to go. Then if I look on the 8 hourly, I'm seeing that we just printed a blood diamond. Well, you know what the blood diamond did on a weekly, and we've also seen here in the past that these blood diamonds, there are no joke, and usually they are right. We also seen it here a little bit on DBSI, the minus 413, this one I can't see, and then 23 for the bears. Oh, sorry, let me quickly go back to the 8 hour. And then here we're also seeing that the bulls are losing strength from 15, 10, 4, minus 5, minus 5. Also here on the money flow, it looks like it wants to curve further down, RSI is down, VWAP down, momentum wave down, so it looks like it is not done yet. But this could set up a very nice trade, meaning that let's say that the price goes lower, this daily momentum wave curves lower, and then going up, then we would have a bullish divergence on the daily. If that plays out and we're really getting that green dot, I will highly, most likely put in a long trade and trade this to the upside. 100k, yippee-ki-yay. That's a joke, but we will definitely then go higher and see the really, because so far, to be honest, I find this just very weak. We have not really seen that bounce. And again, also if we are closing the daily below the critical support of 29k that we have held already so many times, as you can see, I think it's now almost a week in a row where the daily candles are going above. We can still close the daily here above the 29k, but I think once we are losing it, then I think it's a fast sweep down, and again then I'm looking out for this bullish divergence. So very mixed signals, to be honest, because we're now at the support and we lost here the breakout of the triangle. Actually we would go lower then, but so far we've not really seen a continuation, so it's a little bit of a no trading zone. If we bounce off here, then you could enter a long and see how far it takes you. If we're really cracking lower, then of course a short. Put the stop loss right at your entry, or if it's a little bit in profit, right into the profit, so that whatever happens, you're not getting wigged out. Because we also saw actually just today, let me quickly zoom in here on the 12 minute, we're going lower, then suddenly we're going higher, and now it looks like we're losing again, we're going lower. So it's a very tricky environment to scalp this or to be in a trade for a few hours. Really anything could happen, and I'll also be honest, when we broke out, no one thought we would go lower again, go higher again, and now go lower again. So it's a very wicky environment right now. That's why I'm sticking to what I'm saying. Just take your profits and take it by a day. Quickly head over to ETH. There we see exactly the same. We also had to fake out the retest, going higher, retest again, breakout, and now rolling over. Also here exactly the same. 1 hour, green dot, money flow down, RSI down. So not really strong confirmation that we're going higher. Then also on the 4 hourly we see here a red dot. Money flow is going low, momentum wave is going lower. RSIs are look like they're pinching together as we are coming down. 8 hourly did not print a blood diamond like the BTC did. Let me quickly check if it was on the 6 hour. It was on the 6 hour though. It was on the 6 hour, and also here of course it just looks pretty bad. If you really put a gun against my head and say, Ray, pick something right now, then I would say this is going to roll over. We are going to see lower numbers, and we would just have to take it from there. And then, like I said, I'm really hoping for this bullish divergence. That would be nice. But look, also here on the daily, money flow down, RSI down, VWAP down, and it's also exactly the same for BTC. On the daily, look at this, money flow down, VWAP down, RSI down, and this momentum wave hasn't curved yet, but we might see a red dot at the end of the day, or maybe tomorrow if we are further continuing dumping down. Alright guys, that would be it for now. Like I said, a very short video, so if you're not in trade, a little bit of no trading zone, just wait for a little bit till a confirmation higher or lower, then you can jump in, you know what I'm looking at. And if you like this kind of videos, then please do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe, click the bell, click on all so you don't miss anything. Leave me a comment, share this video with your friends if you think that's useful. Also in links you find a handful of, also in the description you find a handful of links, feel free to check them out. And most likely later on I will do an interview again with Cipher. We haven't seen or heard from him in a while, and it's going to be very interesting to hear what he is looking at right now. So definitely check that out, and see you guys very soon again in the next one. Thank you so much. Bye bye.